Well, if you want to create a Mac-based backup for your iPad, don't miss this video. We will collect 4 optimized methods to help you back up iPad to Mac here. Method 1. How to back up iPad to Mac with one click. MacBook Assistant for iOS can make backups for iDevices flexibly and easily. This software has advanced controls like the ability to copy data from or to your devices in a selective manner or manipulate your iOS content freely on a larger screen. How do I back up iPad to Mac with MacBook Assistant for iOS? Step 1. Connect your iPad to Mac. Step 2. View and choose any items to back up. Step 3. Start to back up iPad to Mac at once. Alternatively, you'll be allowed to back up your iPad to Mac in bulk by going to the Programs, Super Toolkit, iTunes Backup and Restore, Backup, choose your iPad to back up. Set an output folder, tap OK. Method 2. How to back up iPad on Mac via iCloud. iCloud makes it easy for you to automatically sync data like pictures, documents, photos, and iOS settings to its cloud storage, and you're enabled to make manual backups as well. Once done, you can save the iCloud backup on your Mac. Method 3. How to back up iPad to Mac with iTunes macOS Mojave or older closing parenthesis dot in macOS Mojave or older. Backing up iPad to iTunes is easy to carry out, as the tool has a built-in feature for iOS data sync. Method 4. How to back up iPad on Mac using Finder macOS Catalina or newer closing parenthesis dot. As you may know, Apple retired iTunes in macOS Catalina or new. Yet, you still have the ability to run a backup on these Macs with an iTunes alternative Finder. Bonus tips to manage iPad backups in macOS Catalina and above. After backing up your iPad on a newer Mac many times, multiple backups will be created on the computer. For ease of viewing and restoring them at any time, you can manage the backup files directly on this Mac.